Hey y'all, it's Olivia. I'm Vicky's daughter, and today I'm gonna make some Young Living Thieves dishwasher pods with household Thieves cleaner from Young Living and lemon essential oil from Young Living. Let's do this. All right, so you're gonna take a cup of borax and you're gonna put it in a bowl, and you're gonna take a cup of washing soda. And you're gonna put it in the bowl, and you're gonna mix it. Until it kind of looks all mixed together, okay? Then you're going to put 10 drops of Young Living oil into a glass liquid measuring thing. And then you're gonna put 10 drops. Well, it's like 11. Oops.
Good job.
Okay, and then you're gonna put just under a cup.
You're missing an ingredient.
I'm putting this.
Gotta put that next.
Okay. Then you're gonna put a cap full of this. How's this gonna happen?
Oh, the measuring cup.
Gosh. A cap full of this stuff. Of some Thieves household cleaner.
Gotta smell it.
Oh gosh. Let me smell it before It smells great. Then you're gonna put just under a cup of this.
Ugh.
It's pretty gross. It smells way worse than anything you've ever smelled before. Okay. You're gonna put just under a cup like this.
You're gonna fill it up until it reaches a cup.
That's how it's trying to do. But yeah. And you gotta make sure it's on level surface so it's perfect. And then I'm gonna put it, I'll take all this and move it over. Okay, you're gonna take this and you're gonna
mix it.
You're gonna mix it.
No, you gotta mix your liquids.
There. Now, gotta mix all y'all ingredients together. I'm gonna stir it while it does this, because that's the proper way to mix stuff.
Is it gonna explode?
I hope not. Baking soda and vinegars, I mean, I don't know.
It's washing soda.
Same thing. It's not the point, Mom.
How does it smell? It smell like the Thieves? The lemon? That's vinegary.
To be honest, it smells like, what are those cookies you eat in Christmas? Gingerbread. It smells like gingerbread, to be honest.
Oh, that's the Thieves.
I mean, it's like a warm smell. But it's cool.
Yeah, the
You're gonna have clean dishes.
You want it to smell good too.
Okay, now you're gonna put them in some ashtrays so that you can have them in your thing.
About halfway full, yeah.
And then after you fill them, you're gonna let them sit for about 2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 hours. This is lit.
Okay, and tell us what lit means, Liv.
Lit? Well,
you say this is lit?
Some people like you think lit is when you get drunk. But me...
That's what it meant years ago.
But me, lit, is like having an amazing time. Or like something awesome. Like essential oils, they're lit because they smell so nice. And they help you. That was a little big. Oops.
You're doing such a fantastic job.
Well, thank you. I try. I only messed up a few times.
Yeah.
It's lit. I should have put clarity before I did this.
Didn't think about that.
Yeah. Whoops. Am I getting this on the table?
It's alright. I got some Thieves
Well, your
cleaner.
table's gonna be clean.
Let you clean it with some Thieves cleaner.
Oh yeah. Delightful.
It's getting very thick, huh?
A little bit.
Okay, let's wrap up the video. I'm pouring on the table.
It'll be okay. It's Thieves. Alright. You let that sit for 2 hours, then you go and have yourself some
And then,
some Young Living
so are you gonna come back?
dishwasher soap.
Are you gonna come back with a video once they've set?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stick it in the washer and show you how it works.
Say goodbye.
Bye.